He has no idea this is about to happen. Look at the graduation gift. Auto negotiators, we deliver, baby. Right on time. We're out here at Firewater in Charlotte. Nobody knows. He's about to come out. He has no idea he's about to get a brand new car. Mr. Tyler. He has no idea. He has no idea. Y'all fine? Everybody, we have Firewater. He has no idea. The wake. The family's walking out. Nobody knows. Nobody. Look at the family. That's the family right there. Here comes the family. He has no idea. Look at Katina. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. He's coming. He's coming. He don't even know he coming. Look at this. Look at this. What dreams are made of. Nobody knows. Look at the family. Family's outside. Everybody's looking like, where is he? Where is Tyler? Is he coming? Huh? Oh, you a superstar too? Superstar? The star. What did you say? Okay. Who is that? Okay, here we go. We're about to go over here. You see him? You see him? Where is he coming out? Oh. Check him. Give him the keys. Where the keys? Where the keys are there? All day, baby. We team, baby. You know I got you.
Mama, this is Eddie. This is my friend Eddie.
Hey, Mama. How you doing? Yeah, I sure did. I sure did.
You got that good shit?
I got him. I got him.
You got it good. Look at that. See your car.
You got the keys?
That is too sweet. Hey, child, did you get that radio? Did you get the radio time? Did you get that free on in the car? Oh, that's that pretty. Yeah. So you got some air conditioning?
Let me get him on the video. All under the door. Look at him. He's chilling.
Where you going? No.
He ready to go.
Get my feet out the way.
So, Doctor, how you doing, man? Good to see you, man.
Surprise.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. You too. Thank you. All right.
Let me at least see what's going on.
Study a little more. That's all right. That's nice. That's all right.
How long ago was that?
That was what it was.
You can't.
When we was at the Apple store, that was the first time he said something to me about it. That's been months. That's what she wanted to do.
Y'all think y'all slick. Y'all think y'all slick.
I think we are.
Y'all,
We did it,
y'all
didn't we?
slick.
I think she pulled it off, bro. She pulled it off,
Y'all
man.
got me. Y'all got me. I appreciate that.
You was really thinking hard when your mom went out in the rain to take that car to get the heater fixed.
I told him he needed air conditioning.
Air conditioning, okay.
All right, I'm gonna get out your car. Get out of your car. All right. So you need to talk to him and tell you how to use